Welcome. In today's video, we're going to go over how to disable photo access on Snapchat. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy or just want more control over what the app can access, this quick walkthrough will help you get it done in less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your app permissions are managed. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Tap on it to open the full list of apps installed on your phone. Next, find Snapchat in that list. You can scroll manually or use the search bar to find it faster. Once you've located Snapchat, tap on it to open the app's info page. Here, you'll see several options like notifications, storage, and battery usage, but what we're interested in right now is permissions. Tap Permissions, and you'll see what kind of access Snapchat currently has on your phone, things like the camera, microphone, contacts, and of course, photos and videos. Now, find the option labeled Photos and Videos. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll see a few choices depending on your phone. Options like Allow all the time, Allow while using the app, or Don't allow. To disable Snapchat's access to your photo gallery completely, simply select Don't allow. Once you do that, Snapchat will no longer be able to view, upload, or save any photos or videos from your device's gallery. Keep in mind, though, that you'll still be able to take new photos or videos directly through the Snapchat camera. The change only affects the app's access to your stored files. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled photo access for Snapchat. It's a small step that makes a big difference when it comes to controlling your personal data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.